Our Aluminium Zone Living collection of hinged, sliding, folding or stacking doors is designed to give you ultimate flexibility in how you use and enjoy your living space. Acting as floor-to-ceiling movable walls, your Zone Living doors can be used to divide up an open-plan home into separate zones when it suits you. The glass panels allow light to flow between areas even when your doors are closed, and double glazing reduces noise transference between zones. These innovative doors give you more usable living and working areas for the whole family, with the option to fold, slide or stack them away when you want to open up your whole space for sociable, connected living. A unique combination of style and practicality, the sleek and contemporary aluminium frames can be finished in black, grey, white or wood grain to suit your home. A revolution in flexible open plan living. These stylish Zone Living doors give you the best of both worlds. Our Aluminium Zone Living doors are made to measure to ensure the right fit for your home. Visit your nearest Doors Plus showroom today to discover Zone Living and book your free measure and quote.